Hey everyone, I have used a grid page here so that it may be easy for y'all to follow. You can also draw this on a plain paper. First of all, we'll draw a 2x3 grid. As you can see, I've drawn 3 columns and there will be 2 rows. Now start marking circles on the corners as shown in the video. After drawing the circles on the corner, draw circles in the middle of each grid block. Now I'm only drawing circles to show you how we can draw them without the lines. Now draw parallel lines in a diagonal fashion. Make sure your lines touch the outer part of the circle only. The parallel lines are in T format if you look closely. You have to just keep on drawing them in opposite direction so that you will have a tight knit knot. Leave the sides and the corners for the last. After drawing all the lines, you will do the sides, and in the last you will do the corners. I have tried to show you the natural progression of the knots by using arrows. As you can see, this sides will go in this direction and the other side will go in the other opposite direction. Use rounded curves for the sides. You can also use rounded curves for the corners, but the pointed ones look just better. If you want to draw directly with pen, use pencil to draw the grids so that it can be erased later. Now I am showing you how to draw a 2x3 grid for an L-shaped border design. Draw the grids using pencil as shown in the video, and then you can follow along. Again, I am leaving the sides and the corners for the last. If you like this tutorial, please hit the like button, share with your friends, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.